Europe's airborne surveillance capabilities are about to take a major step forward. The Swedish defense company Saab has signed a landmark agreement with France's defense procurement agency, the Direction Générale de l'Armement, for the delivery of 2 GlobalEye airborne early warning and control aircraft, one of the most advanced AEW&C platforms in service today. The contract does not only cover the aircraft themselves, it also includes ground support equipment, training programs, and long-term logistical support, ensuring full operational readiness from day one. According to Saab, the total value of the agreement is approximately 12.3 billion Swedish kroner, equivalent to around 1.14 billion euros. The delivery of the GlobalEye aircraft is scheduled between 2029 and 2032, aligning with France's long-term air defense modernization plans. The agreement also grants France an option to acquire 2 additional GlobalEye aircraft, potentially doubling the fleet in the future. In fact, a letter of intent covering both the initial purchase and the optional aircraft was signed during the Paris Air Show last summer. At the time, there were questions within defense circles about whether the necessary funding could be secured, but this signed contract now confirms France's commitment to the program. What is GlobalEye? According to Saab, GlobalEye is a true multi-domain AEW&C platform. It combines active and passive sensors capable of detecting and identifying airborne, maritime, and ground targets at long ranges. By delivering real-time situational awareness, GlobalEye enables air forces, ground units, and naval assets to detect threats earlier, coordinate faster, and operate more effectively across the battle space. Commenting on the agreement, Saab President and CEO Mikael Johansson stated, "This order once again confirms the strong and long-term partnership between Saab and France." By selecting GlobalEye, France is investing in a highly modern and high-performance airborne early warning and control solution. The fact that both Sweden and France operate GlobalEye will directly contribute to European security. Beyond France, the GlobalEye platform is also being considered as a potential successor to NATO's aging AWACS fleet, which is approaching the end of its operational life. With its modern sensors, extended range, and multi-domain capabilities, GlobalEye represents one of the most credible next-generation alternatives for future alliance-wide airborne surveillance missions. As Europe faces an increasingly complex security environment, investments in platforms like GlobalEye highlight a clear priority: earlier detection, better coordination, and stronger collective defense. And with this deal, Saab and France have taken a significant step toward shaping the future of airborne early warning in Europe.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe Defense Lab's YouTube channel for aviation and defense industry news and updates.